Completing your WIC in a click appointment is as easy as 1, 2, 3. After getting to wicandaclick.com, step 1 is to choose a module to watch. There are many topics to choose from. Hovering over each module will reveal a brief description, as well as an estimate of how long it will take to complete. All of the modules are on demand, meaning you can complete them anytime that is convenient for you, day or night. Step 2. After watching the module, you'll be directed to complete a brief questionnaire. You must enter your clinic information, a name, date of birth, phone number, and email so we can locate your WIC record and issue your food benefits. Once the questionnaire has been submitted, you'll receive an email confirmation saying that your WIC and a click appointment has been completed. If you don't see an email confirmation in your inbox, you may need to check your email's spam folder. Step 3. WIC will issue your food benefits within 1 to 2 business days. Your local clinic will notify you once your food benefits have been issued to your eWIC card within 1 to 2 business days. Feel free to check your EasyWIC app to view your food benefit balance. That's it. 3 easy steps. Choose a module, complete a brief questionnaire, and WIC will issue your food benefits within 1 to 2 business days. If you have any questions, please contact your local clinic. Contact information for your local clinic can be found in your EasyWIC app under My Clinic Info. We hope you enjoy using WIC in a click.